Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. Yes, I'm wearing the same clothes as like 5 videos because it's repotting time and I'm knocking them out. Today, we're working on my very first forest I ever made. It's an American elm forest here. It's been attacked by squirrels. It's been blown off the bench. When I went on vacation once, it was out of the watering system, and it almost died. This thing has survived everything. Pests, bugs, squirrels, locusts, the plague locusts. And it's been doing it all in a bakery dish from Goodwill. So I'm going to put in this pot that I made, and we're going to see how that goes. I didn't wire any of these trees in because I don't do that on forests because it's a pain in my butt. Can't imagine how many roots are in here. This has been in here for a solid 2 years. Oh, it might just come out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that thing. Just popped right out. One little drainage wire. One little piece of stuff that might not come out. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Oh, it's a bigger piece than I thought it was. That's why. Well, that's why you don't put a big ass piece of wire in here. Messing everything up. It's like I got a rock and I'm knocking it all loose. Alright. Why'd I set it back in there? Jesus, JR. Alright. Man, wish I hadn't done that. I really don't want to mess with it too much. I can rake some of these roots out, I guess. I don't think it needs too much messing with. I don't know why I put a rock in there. I like sticking rocks and stuff. But these are elm trees. They're going to eat that rock up. So I might take it out. Oh, that's a big root. Yeah. Let's get some of these circling roots out of here, I guess. Maybe give that bottom a little light trim. These roots look a little rough down there. Check this rock out, maybe. Is that tree growing on it? Oh, it's growing on it. It was growing on it. But that's okay. We can fix that. Beautiful moss. Keep that if we can. Let's get this out of here. It's a little big. The pot's a little big for this planting, so there's space on the outside. I will probably add a couple trees. Maybe I'll plant it off center. Or no, plant center. Add a couple trees. I think that's what I'll do. Get some soil under this poor guy because I took his rock away. Needs to be twisted a little. This back tree needs to get its life together. Come over that way, son. get wired over. Or twist the whole planting, and then that messes up this tree. So leave it how it is. I have a bunch of elm trees growing all over the place in other spots, so when I have a little extra time, I'll grab one of those and plant it in here with these guys, because there's just too much space on the sides here for what we have going on. Before I do this again, I'm really gonna have to make myself some room in here, make myself a nice area to work. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but this has a roof, so I can come in here and, you know, rearrange. Find some new homes for some of this stuff. Maybe I'll move some of it out and let it enjoy the rain. 62 and rain at the end of February is pretty cool for Missouri. I added 2 trees to it after I filmed the whole video, so I'm going to film a little bit of that. So originally it had these 7 trees in the middle, and I added this one and this one to fill in the pot. I think it really helped. I think it looks awesome. The elm forest, the original elm forest, the squirrel attacked, locust attacked, bug attacked, drought attacked, tough ass elm forest into its own awesome pot made here by Classy Bonsai, myself. And I'll update you on how it does. Probably gonna add another tree over here and over here. Maybe, I don't know. See what the numbers look like and how it looks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.